Some of the kitchen cabinets come fitted in the kitchen, and that is when you have a furnished kitchen. While some kitchen are unfurnished, whereby you can move in the equipment, but my own is like half furnished, so this extra furniture I need to bring it in to be able to pack other items in it. Hi guys, yeah, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be unboxing and fixing the kitchen cabinet. This kitchen cabinet is a bit complicated. It has locker down shelves on top, then in the middle is like an open shelf where you can put the microwave, electrical gadgets. The back of it is open so that the heat will be able to circulate. The heat from the electrical equipment will not damage the cabinet. So first of all, I unbox it, start arranging all the nuts and bolts, looking at the instructions, separate the parts of the shelf, the long one, the short one. This is my set of screwdrivers I normally use to fix things. It did not come with the pack. Then I arrange all the items separately and neatly. The screws, the nuts, the bolts, the hinges. I take a closer look at the producer's manual, the manufacturer's manual, read the instructions, understand the design, know the dimensions, understand the measurements, and basically know where things are supposed to be. Most often, I scan the QR code to understand further what they're actually saying and the way to go about installing it. This kitchen cabinet is very high, so I start by laying the wood on the floor. Then I check the points where you drive in your screws, your nuts, the hinges, and the lever. You need this lever to be able to put the top drawer that will allow you to pull and push back. I tightened it, but you have to be careful. If you don't arrange it very well, you get to that situation whereby it will be the opposite side and you'll not be able to fix it. The two sides will be the same, so you have to arrange it first on the floor, make sure that it is side by side to be able to know what you're doing. Otherwise it will not be able to fit very well. To be like fixing the same side two times. And this is me sliding the lever to make sure that it's working properly. Otherwise, it can be hooked somewhere by the screw head. To fix the handle of the drawer, you first of all to fix the handle of the locker, you start by screwing it. The handle is a plastic, so make sure you screw gently to be secured at the same time not to be damaged. For the base of this drawer, you need to use glue. There's a line there. Smear the glue into the line, then you fix the base of the drawer. Make sure you fix it very well. You press it, leave for some minutes for it to dry. This is the back of the furniture, so I put the back flap, nailed it together, make sure it's very strong so it doesn't move easily like that. This is a very long process, but I made the video to be very short because it's like 4 hours. It's a lot. I did the base, fix the locker, fix the drawer, fix the hinges, then put the back flap, and again put the shelf. So it's just a lot. Here I've done with the fixing. You can't fix it while standing. You need to fix it on the floor, then after you find a way to bring it up, but make sure you fix all the nuts tightly so that when you bring it up it doesn't collapse. Let me know what you think about this video. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, if you get any information from this video, make sure to give it a like, comment below, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.